Good morning. It is Tuesday, August 25th, and this is a severe weather breakdown for eastern Colorado, specifically the Burlington area. Looking at this, the SPC has put us in a level 2 risk for severe weather this afternoon. It's a huge risk that goes from North Platte, Nebraska, down through our area, covers all of far eastern Colorado, down into Amarillo, over to Hutchinson, and so it's a big risk. It's a level 2 risk, a slight risk of severe thunderstorms. Tomorrow, that risk is still in place. It moves a little bit, and it's a little bit smaller. It's for eastern Colorado, but does not include far eastern Colorado. That doesn't mean we're not going to get storms tomorrow. We probably, in fact, will. We're just kind of out of that area a little bit. Tomorrow's outlook kind of looks from the I-25 corridor kind of out east, and it ends like at Stratton, and then it becomes a level 1 risk, a marginal risk, and that does include us. But I would look for storms tomorrow also, or at least the potential for storms. There's a hazardous weather outlook from the National Weather Service in Goodland that is out. The hazardous weather outlook is for extreme southwest Nebraska, northwest Kansas, and east central Colorado, including Kit Carson County. It reads that there is another potential for severe storms across the area this afternoon and evening. Primary threats include hail up to 2 inches and winds up to 80 miles an hour. They also note that there is a low chance for a brief tornado this evening. It's almost September and we're still talking about tornadoes. Severe storms may return Wednesday, they say, and possibly Thursday afternoon. Tomorrow and Thursday would be not as strong of a risk, and the hail would top out, it looks like, at 1.5 inches and 65-mile-an-hour winds. Still nothing to scoff at, and definitely something to pay attention to. Looking at models that I look at when I chase, they're kind of conflicting. I look at a couple of different models. They're kind of conflicting in a way. They're not conflicting in the fact that they both say that we're going to have severe weather right around our general area, right around Burlington. But it's the timing where they differ a little bit. The first model, which I kind of tend to lean towards, actually shows a potential for storms as early as 4 o'clock this afternoon, and storms kind of lingering in our area through 11. And these are storms with potential for that hail, well, like I said, 2 inches, and the 80-mile-an-hour winds that we discussed earlier. So looking at the other model, it differs a little bit. It shows storms kind of in the same area, which includes us, right around us. It just shows the timing a little bit different, like the storms getting here a little later, around 7 o'clock, and staying in the area till 11. So they both show severe storms. They both show the potential for the hail, for the strong winds. They just differ in the timing. One shows them coming in at 4, one shows them coming in at 7. I know the way I'm looking at it is I'm going to go with the extremes on both sides. I'm going to look at them as possibly coming in at 4. I know Maria's coming home at noon. We're going to change out cars. She's going to leave her truck here. We're going to take the old Tacoma for her back to work. So that's kind of what we use that for. So anyway, severe weather today, tomorrow, maybe Thursday. You definitely want to pay attention to that. It looks like we're going to be going live and doing some chasing this afternoon. So I was planning on heading to Nebraska, and I'm kind of leaning now towards chasing in our area. So you can subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon, and when we go live, you'd get a notification, and you can check that out, and you can see what we're seeing, or what I'm seeing in this case today, because Maria won't be with me, but what I'm seeing out in the field. And check that out. You're there right now, so just turn on the notification tab and you'll be notified when we do go live, most likely this afternoon. So have a great day, have a great afternoon. If you're going to get yourself a weather app, the one that I'm using here is a paid version of the one I'll tell you about, but go to WeatherWise, and download the app. It's a free app. You can, at the very least, you can pull up the Goodland radar, and you can see where the storms are right around our area to kind of keep tabs on what's happening here. And again, turn on notifications here and chase with us live this afternoon. So have a blessed afternoon and a safe day. Thank you.